Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video. Today's video is something special because I am talking and actually I'm sharing with you about the feelings I have been feeling last 4 months. I feel like I am stuck in my English learning journey. Like I don't feel I am seeing any improvement. I don't use any new words in my conversation. I don't apply any new rules in my grammar structures, in my talking or in my writing. So, like if someone said this book is something has a simple English, so for intermediate level you can read, you cannot find any difficulties. When I have starting this, I feel like, oh my god, why I cannot understand? There is something wrong. There is something wrong I cannot understand. Or when I am watching a video and I repeat this again and again, but I don't understand the main topic. So I said, oh my god, this is something wrong is happening. Why I cannot understand this? When most of the same level of mine are understanding. So that's why it really it's hard to accept these feelings, because especially if you have been learning English since 2 years or 3 years, so you feel like you don't see any improvement, or maybe you need long time for reaching to simple improvement, or seeing any small light in your quality of conversation, of writing, of listening, of anything in general. And this is quite normal, because all the any language learner are coming to this point, like this stop point. Maybe I can't learn anything more. I like my brain is feel like stuck. So this is the first part of this video, and the second part I will share with you why I decided to film this video. Before some days I have been in a date with old friends, and when I am saying old friends, I don't mean peoples, but I mean short stories, fiction, and like imagination, and science small books, back to my childhood. When I saw this, I remember how much I had been reading. I have been doing effort for understanding which word means which meaning, and really the noun, the adjectives, the understand this is the rules, this is. And I have a question to myself: why now I am searching for the quick result? Why I cannot just go through the process and enjoy? This is a foreign language, so I have to be patient with it, and I have to try and try. There is no stop, because this is a language, this is not something easy. And by making this kind of simple comparison between my old version back to my childhood and my actual version, I just said to myself, this is my native language, this is Arabic, so what I have doing before it gives me the confidence now to take a big book and read. We don't need any dictionary from the context. I can understand any difficult words or the words I haven't seen before. So this is, I have trained my mind and my my thinking, my brain for speak, for talk, for just use and for understand. Even or pushing myself, or I been too much hard with myself when I am forgotten, when I am not using the new words, and why I feel too much down when I am repeating the things we don't understanding. Because this repetition in my childhood makes me better. I couldn't imagine which version of Sana could happen or could create if I haven't read all this 90 books or maybe more of these stories, of this just small things, and how much I was using the dictionary, just searching and find out the things I wasn't understand. Why I was patient with myself in my native language, but I couldn't do the same now with a foreign language. So this is, and inside my mind I feel like, oh my god, the stack is going to, it's going somewhere. I have a little of awareness in this side. I have to keep doing and keep working and keep learning and keep trying and keep read and read. I don't need to just make or make limited time or limited things or activities to learn. So this is the actual matter. So that's why I make this video, for just try to push myself to enjoy the process. I am a learner, maybe I am a learner for 3 years or I am a learner for 2 years, and the next year or the next 2 years, inshallah, we don't know, I will keep trying. This is already what I have to do. The others, the improvement will come. Today or another day, it will come. And maybe I have just to change some strategies or some techniques I'm doing. I have to choose another joyful activities. I have to do something, change something, but this stack doesn't have any existence in my, just has existence in my mind only. So that's why I realized that the difference between someone keep doing until they will reach to the level they wish, and someone they will give up in the middle of road. This is already the difference. This stack, these feelings, because when you are feeling this, you are saying maybe the English is not for me. This is not my cup of tea. So maybe it's not me. So I have to stop, or maybe I have to just go another skill or another language or something. So I make this video for saying you are not alone, and I wish you will continue until the end. And this is as a reminder for myself firstly, because I promised myself to don't stop learning and don't feel this stuck like a big obstacle can stop me or can make me give up. So this is just give myself the space to choose the better ways, the better techniques, the better activities, makes me see the improvement, maybe long-term improvement, but just I have to not stop trying. So this is my advice to myself and my advice to you. Take care of yourself and see you soon, inshallah, in another video. Bye bye.